Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something different because these aren't your regular old instant noodles. In fact, they're refrigerated and they don't have a sachet. You're probably like, what are you doing? But, you know, a company reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try them. They're in the healthy vein of things, so I figured, okay. So here they are. They're called Base 2 Noodles. And they've got a whole ton of protein and vitamins and all that good stuff. They have the fiber too. Yeah, they got a lot of fiber too. And the whole thing is 384 calories. So that's pretty good. Let me show you what we got. I've tried this before and they sent me 10 packs of it on ice. There was not an unboxing time video. I apologize to Base 2 Noodles for that. It just, I had to get it cold so I could actually eat them. So definitely didn't want to mess with that. So here we are. Now these do have a sachet of desiccant in with them. Yeah, there it is. That's kind of the only downside, is the desiccant kind of gets wrapped in with it. But here's the noodles. Dropping them in. 2 minutes on the boil. And the trick with these is you want to keep them moving with a fork, or I suppose some of you will use chopsticks because it behooves you, and that's fine with me. So what's going on? I had a pretty uneventful morning. Got up at 3 something, and yeah, got up at 3 something. Ended up getting a couple things done, and then did my walking here in the apartment. I did 10 miles back and forth. You're probably like, dude, you're insane. Why do you do that? But it's like, it's been working out pretty well with the whole losing weight thing, so. But yeah. Really? Huh. This is a tricky one because once you put these noodles in when they're cold, don't you even boil over, you piece of crap. But you drop them in, you know, you've got boiling water and you drop them in and it's a big lump of cold because they're refrigerated. And so that's kind of tricky, but we are almost there. Come on. So I've got to do something to them. The first time I made them up, I did them with a little bit of chili crisp, because I'm like freaking out over that stuff now. But I think this time I'll just use soy sauce and maybe some fried onion and such. Yeah, we're good. I've got to see them up a bit. Got to try them a couple ways. They were saying yakisoba. But honestly, I felt like if I tried to make yakisoba out of these, good luck telling that they were I mean, yakisoba is a strong flavor. Not to say that soy and chili crisp aren't, but they'll allow at least the flavor of the noodle to come through somewhat, I think. So yeah, basically just boiled them for a couple minutes, added some soy sauce, stirring it up, and that's all I'm doing before I taste them. Although I guess I should taste them. Well, I did have them without anything before, so they're not bad. They have a nice kind of heartiness to it. Here's what they look like. Cheers. Yeah. I like them. You know? I think they're pretty good. Now, they're on the healthy end of the stick, which is cool. Can't complain about health. Didn't used to really be a thing I cared about so much. Where did I put my phone? Yeah, where did I put my phone? Ah, there it is. So let's see what you can see. Yeah, there you go. Eggy wig. Seems like the right thing to do. Right there. And hope that it wants to be a cooperative egg. I don't think it does though. Not at this point it doesn't want to be. So now we have to wait for the egg to decide that it's time to be coaxed. Oh! I don't know that this egg wants to be coaxed. So it's going to have to be forced. Yeah. Come on. Are we going to have one of those days? I don't have time for that. We're going to have a happy egg day, or no, it's just we're going to have a happy egg day. That's that. Happy freaking egg day. I don't know, lately I've felt like more episodes should be swearing episodes, because things aren't being nice. That's an egg. And spring onion. Drop a little bit of sprout on there. What else can we do? Some sesame seed. We have to drag these down a little bit. Chili flake. Where is it? Where's my dang chili flake? There it is. Kitchen is out of control. There's too much stuff in the kitchen. at times will drive me mad. Alright. Let's see. The thing that's really ticking me off lately is this tripod. It's pretty rough. Okay. Rotato time. Yeah, so they're like really hearty, wholesome, noodly noodles. And I'm guessing you can find them in the refrigerated section at, I don't know, maybe like Whole Foods or something. I really don't know a lot about them other than, yeah, I like them. So, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.